Teacher Chin.
What's your name?
My name is Mia.
Mia, how old are you?
I'm two.
How old are you?
I'm two.
Good. How old are you?
I'm a boy.
Okay. What color do you like?
I like pepper.
What animal do you like?
I cow.
Cow? Okay. Now, Mia, what letter is it?
A.
This one?
Apple. N.
Next.
B. But. O.
Very good. This one?
T. Ta. T.
And this one? Letter?
Letter T. O. Ta.
And this one is letter?
E. H. I.
How about this one?
F. H. Fox.
Very good. What letter is it?
T. The rat.
What letter is it?
H. Ow. Hat.
Very good. What letter is it?
I. Tree. Insect.
How about this one?
T. Chucky. Chum.
What letter is it?
K. T. Tie.
Very good. This one?
L. I. Lamp.
Good job, Mia. What letter is it?
M. Moon. Mouth.
This one?
N. Note. Number.
What letter is it?
O. Orange. Onion.
How about this one?
P. Pencil.
And this?
Two. Green. Red.
Quilt.
Red.
Okay. What letter is it?
O. Rabbit. Red.
What letter is it? Y.
Y. Yellow. Yellow.
And this one?
D. Zebra. Blue.
Very good, Mia. Mia, what do you see?
Duck.
I
see a duck.
What do you see?
I see a dog.
What do you see?
I see a duck.
What do you see?
I see a pig.
I see.
A pig.
What do you see?
I see a rabbit.
What do you see?
I see a sheep.
Very good. What do you see?
I see a rooster.
What do you see?
I see a horse.
What do you see?
I see a dog.
Goat.
Dog.
What do you see?
I see a cow.
What do you see?
I see a hen.
Okay, and what do you see?
I see a tooth.
Goat. Goose.
Tooth.
Okay, good job. High five, Mia. Very good. Okay, Mia.